Ito ang latest chika doon ay Pangilinan na marami daw iba kaso si Bill lang daw ang gusto niya. Kilig-kiligan niya na ang mga mosa nga nang binitawan niyan ng matini idol. Yes, maraming iba. Yes, it's true. We exist in the world surrounded by different people. Some might like me, some might not. Some might show signs of interest. But who cares? Who cares about them when I have Bel Mariano? Sa mundong maraming tao sa gitna ng gulo at ingay ng paligid na nanunukso, walang magbabago. Si Bel at Bel pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Alam mo yun, kahit saan kami dalhin ng agos, even if the circumstances say no, even if they tell me to stop, to let go, kung nandyan pa rin si Bel, mananatili ako. I still hold her. I still choose her. Words will never be enough to explain how deeply I love her. But one thing's certain, I love Bel Mariano and I will love her for as long as I can.